Good evening, everyone. We're here at Far Eastern University, and we're here to talk about parasocial relationships. I'm joined with
Fatima.
Bay, and we're going to talk about her parasocial relationship.
Yes.
Do you have a parasocial relationship?
Yes.
So, can we know with who?
Mika Lim of Beanie.
From 17. So what's your favorite Beanie song?
Honestly, I think it's Ang Huling Tracho. Will be To You.
Okay. So, why do you consider your relationship with Mika as a parasocial one?
Because I feel like it has reached to a point where it's almost obsessive.
So, your way of supporting them is like through buying her merch?
Yes. And also attending their concerts.
It will be considered parasocial because in a sense, parang feeling ko kasi I'm so drawn to him. Like, I cannot say na super obsessed, pero very invested ako sa nangyayari sa kanya and yung mga ginagawa niya. So, I think I can say na matatawag kong parasocial relationship.
You know Mika as an idol, but
Yes.
do you think there's a line between Mika as an idol and Mika as a real person?
Yes, definitely.
I mean,
Yes.
boundaries ka pa rin as a
Because I mean, since in idol culture, you can't really guarantee that if their personality that they're putting on social media is really their like
Actual
genuine true
personality.
self.
Yeah.
Yes. So it could be some kind of like persona or some kind of like archetype. Parang ganun.
Sa mga fans naman, I think may iba't ibang type of fans naman na may iba kasing fans na super drawn talaga nila sa K-pop. And me, feeling ko matatawag ko naman yung sarili ko na average fan. So I can say na alam ko kung ano yung reality and alam ko na si Wonwoo ay isa lang K-pop idol na ina-adore ko.
But can you say that you know Mika? Like her personality?
Like
You
100%.
understand her?
Definitely not.
Yes. Nakikita ko na parang close kami and very na-understand ko yung mga ginagawa niya kasi nga fan din ako. So, syempre, alam ko din yung mga ginagawa niya, daily life, and yung paano siya makisalamuha sa tao.
Does supporting Mika make you feel more grounded, or like you feel like you live in a dream whenever you support her, or whenever you're engaging with this parasocial relationship?
Honestly, I don't think it's very grounded in reality. In a way, it's kind of parang ganun nga po, detachment.
Oh, detachment.
Yes.
So you use Beanie and Mika as like your interest, your...
Yes.
What do you think makes you drawn to one?
It's because of his personalities kasi. Kasi si Wonwoo, siya yung pinaka tahimik or we should say introverted. And ako kasi medyo mahilig ako sa mga tahimik na tao.
So does liking Mika feel simple for you, or does it feel complicated?
I don't think it's complicated. I think it's simple. I mean, in a way, I think it's aligned with also the kind of people I'm interested like in real life. So like my type. So I mean, it's not really complicated.
So aside from like supporting them through buying their merch and
Yes.
attending their concerts, how do you support Mika?
And like in what way? Like
Generally,
I guess going on to social media sometimes and I guess giving her the engagement that she needs
Oh,
on
yes,
social
yes,
media. So
I attended their concert and if ever may gatherings na about their group, nag-attend din ako.
how has being a fan of Mika shaped the way you live, the way you think, and the way you see yourself?
honestly, I feel like Mika played a big role in my journey of coming out because like before I discovered Beanie, I was in the closet. But then it was like when I discovered Beanie and then her, eventually it was the turning point where I was like, honestly, I think maybe I'm into girls.
Yeah. So she gave you that courage.
Yeah, the courage.
Kasi si Wonwoo, he's a type of person na very calm. So, in a way, parang natuto din ako na how to handle things calmly. And of course, yung pagkakaroon ng composure.
Okay, so I think that's about the questions. Thank you so much, Ray, for talking about your parasocial relationship and sharing with us. Thank you so much, Fatima. So that has been Francine. Thank you very much for watching.